Hi guys, let's look at the homework questions of exercise 15b, which is basically an exercise based on basic proportionality theorem. Before we start the video, just revise what is basic proportionality theorem. It says in a triangle, if there is a line parallel to the base, which means in this case, let's say this is A, B, C, and this is D, E. If DE is parallel to BC, then the ratio of AD upon BD, which let's say is equal to X upon Y, that will exactly be the same ratio of AE upon EC, which means AD upon BD would be equal to AE upon CE. So the ratios will be exactly the same. This is similar to equal intercept theorem, in which case AD and BD are equal. So the ratio is 1:1. Perfect. Let's go ahead and solve the homework questions now. So the first question is question number 2. In the given figure, PQ is parallel to AB. The length of CQ is given as 4.8 centimeter, QB is 3.6, AB is 6.3. We need to find CP upon PA. Now point number 1, since PQ is parallel to AB, which means using basic proportionality theorem, what we get is point number 2, which is CQ upon BQ is equal to CP upon PA. Right? CQ upon BQ is equal to CP upon PA. Let's substitute values. What we know, CQ is given equal to 4.8, BQ is 3.6, CP we don't know, and PA we don't know. So that's the what we need to calculate, right? So what we have is this is 48 upon 36 is equal to CP upon PA. That's 12 into 3, 12 into 4. So this is equal to 4 upon 3. So CP upon PA is equal to 4 upon 3. The first part of the question is done. Good. Let's look at the second part of the question. We need to calculate the value of PQ, which is here. Now for that we will need to use similarity. We'll need to prove triangle CPQ and CAB are similar. So in triangle CPQ and triangle CAB, what do we know? Point number 5, angle PCQ is equal to angle ACB, reason common angle. And point number 6, angle CPQ will be equal to angle CAB, reason alternate angles. So what we get is, therefore, triangle CPQ is similar to triangle CAB using AA test. Does it help us? Let's see what do we get from here. So what we get is CP upon CA is equal to CQ upon CB is equal to PQ upon AB. Let's see information known to us. This is CSST. Information known to us, CP not known, CA not known, so we don't need this. CQ, which is 4.8, CB, which is 4.8 plus 3.6. Right, that's correct, 4.8 plus 3.6, and PQ, which is what we need to calculate, upon AB, which is 6.3. Let's take this, which means what we have is PQ is equal to 4.8 into 6.3. 6.3 divided by 4.8 plus 3.6, that's 8.4. So this is 48 into 6.3 upon 84. That's 7 into 0.9. Yes, 7, 9. And this is 7 into 12. 12, 1, 12, 4. Therefore, PQ is equal to 4 into 0.9. That's 3.6 centimeter. So we've got the value of PQ as 3.6 centimeter. That still leaves us the third part of the question. Let's go ahead and erase some part of the question that I've already solved, and we will have space to solve the third part of the question. So this is what they wanted. We've done the second part as well. They say AP is equal to X, which is what I have written here. Find the value of AC in terms of X. So from point 4, what we have is CP upon PA is equal to 4 upon 3. And they say PA is equal to X, which means CP is equal to 4X upon 3. So CP is equal to 4X upon 3. Therefore, AC would be equal to X plus 4X upon 3, which is equal to 7X upon 3. That's the final answer for the third part of the question. Perfect. Let's look at the next homework question. That was question number 4, part 2. Question number 4, part 2, it says, in triangle ABC, D and E are points on side AB and AC respectively. Let's just draw a rough diagram first. So this is A, B, and C. D and E are point on AB and AC respectively. Find whether DE is parallel to BC if some lengths are given. So if AB is equal to 6.3, so this big thing line here is 6.3. EC is equal to 11. EC is equal to 11. AD is equal to 0.8 and AE is equal to 1.6. Perfect. Let's calculate the length of BD first. So point number 1, BD is equal to 6.3 minus 0.8 is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Now using basic proportionality theorem, DE is parallel to BC if AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE, right? If this is parallel, then AD upon BD will be equal to AE upon CE. We just calculated BD as 5.5. So therefore AD upon BD is equal to 0.8 upon 5.5, which is equal to 8 upon 55. Now no common factors. This is 0.2. Let's calculate AE upon CE. AE is 1.6 and CE is 11. So this is 16 upon 110, 2 into 8, 2 into 55. Since AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE, therefore DE is parallel to BC. Now this kind of question you don't expect in an exam, basically for you to understand the concept of basic proportionality theorem properly. Good, let's look at the next one. The next one that we have is question number 6. It says a line segment DE is drawn parallel to base BC of triangle ABC, which cuts AB at D and AC at E. So this is A, B, C. DE is drawn parallel. Okay, something like this. DE is drawn parallel to the base BE, AB at D, AC at E. If AB is equal to 5 times BD, so let BD is equal to X centimeter. Therefore, AB is equal to 5X centimeter. Therefore, AD is equal to 5X minus X, which is equal to 4X centimeter. So AD is 4X, BD is X, and AB obviously is 5X. That's the information given. EC is equal to 3.2 centimeter. 3.2 centimeter, we need to calculate the length of AE. Now since DE is parallel to BC, therefore using basic proportionality theorem, what we get is AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE. That's correct. AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE. Let's substitute values. AD is 4X, BD is X, AE we have to calculate. CE is given as 3.2, which means AE is equal to 3.2 into 4X upon X. X and X gets cancelled. Therefore, AE is equal to 4 into 3, 12.8 centimeter. Fairly simple question. Let's look at the next one. The last homework question was question number 8. Let's look at the question. It says triangle PQR is right angled at Q. XY is parallel to PR. PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. PY is equal to 4 centimeter. PX is to XQ is equal to 1 is to 2. Find the length of PR and QR. Okay, so point number 1, Px upon Xq is equal to 1 upon 2. What this means is let Px is equal to A, therefore Qx is equal to 2 times A. What we know is A plus 2A is given equal to 6 centimeter. Now point number 2, A plus 2A is given equal to PQ, which is given equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore 3A is equal to 6 centimeter and A, which is equal to PX, is equal to 2 centimeter. Therefore 2A, which is equal to QX, is equal to 4 centimeter. So QX is 4 centimeter here and PX is 2 centimeter. Yeah, perfect. We need to find the length of PR, which is this length here, and QR, which is this length here. Let's see what we can do. We can use BPT first. It'll help us figure out the ratio of PY upon YR. We can add YR to PY. It should help us get the value of PR. Perfect. Point number 4. Since XY is parallel to QR, using basic proportionality theorem, what we get is PX upon XQ is equal to Py upon Yr. In fact, we didn't need the exact length of Px and Xq. The ratio was already given. I could have just used the ratio directly. Okay. So if I substitute values, in fact, yeah, we didn't need the exact values of Px and Xq at all. So this is 1 upon 2 is equal to Py, which is 4 upon Yr. Therefore, Yr is equal to 8 centimeter, which means therefore PR is equal to 4 plus 8, which is equal to 12 centimeter. So if we've got the first part of the question, PR is equal to 12 centimeter. Now we have two known sides in a right angle triangle. I can apply Pythagoras theorem and calculate the other one, or I can use similarity. Whichever way I work on, I can figure out. But let's see. I don't think similarity would work because I don't have the length of xy. Yes, I don't have the length of xy. So in a right triangle PQR, using Pythagoras theorem, I get point number 8, which is 12 square is equal to 6 square plus QR square. That's correct, which means QR square is equal to 144 minus 36. QR is equal to 44 minus 36 as 108. That's correct. QR is equal to square root of 108 centimeter. At 36 into 3. Yeah, 36 into 3 centimeter. Therefore, QR is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. That's the second part of the question. We've calculated the value of QR. That's it. That was the last homework question from this exercise. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to write into me. Take care, be safe. I'll see you with the next video. Bye-bye.